Hey guys, Nate from Winter Equipment. Here today to talk to you about Winter's complete lineup of plow guards. Now if you know us we're the system guys, but we understand that sometimes you got old inventory or maybe a system just doesn't work for you, but you're still looking to get the advantage of the quality wear part that Winter Equipment offers. For the customer that has a steel blade or a carbide cutting edge, Winter Equipment has a complete lineup of plow guards to help make those blades last longer and perform better for you. Stay tuned. We're going to get into each one of these plow guards, what they work with, why you would use them, and how they're going to help you out. All right guys, let's go ahead and talk about Winter Equipment's Plow Guard CurbGuard. The Plow Guard CurbGuard is a real simple thing. It's going to go ahead and give you all those features, advantages, and benefits of the Winter Equipment Plow Guard with your 1-inch hard surface weld across the bottom, extend the life of your cutting edge by 2.5 times. But now it's going to go in and give you the advantage benefit of some curb protection. So we can have curb protection on the left side or the right side. Your left side is for the driver, your right side is the passenger. We're going to go ahead and give it to you in an 8-inch or 6-inch height, depending upon the height of your cutting edge. Bolt holes placed accordingly, countersunk for a plow bolt so it lines up perfectly. And again, the number one advantage of a Winter Equipment Plow Guard CurbGuard, it's going to protect your plow from damage to a curb. We'll go ahead here, get down on the ground with the plow behind us, put them on, and show you how a Winter Equipment Plow Guard CurbGuard protects your plow from curb damage. All right guys, let's go ahead and talk about the installation of a Winter Equipment Plow Guard CurbGuard. Again, a Plow Guard CurbGuard is that good old Winter Equipment Plow Guard. We've gone ahead and welded on a curb cast here on the end to give you a Plow Guard CurbGuard. Weld protection across the bottom, extend the life of the cutting edge 2.5 times. Curb cast out here on the outside, going to protect that plow from wear into a curb, keep your moldboard nice and safe. We're working with an 8-inch guard on an 8-inch blade on a very secure plow for all my safety people out there. You got your handy dandy plow bolts here. We're going to hit all 3 holes. Go ahead, pick her up, line up your bolts, work plow guard on, push them through to hold them in place. Go ahead in the back side, run on your washer, torque on your nut, plow guard's good to go. Got the plow guard protection here at the bottom, curb cast on the outside, extend the life of the plow 2.5 times, keep your moldboard safe from curb damage. So we're doing an uptight video here. I'm going to get real close and show you when we talk about curb protection, what do we mean? You can see here's your moldboard and here's some of the mechanics of the plow. And if you're trying to get really tight in against the curb, you can see where all of this eventually would wear against the curb and you'd have damage. By putting the curb cast here on the outside, you've now got this big piece of hardened casted steel that protects all of this against the curb, so you can run this into the curb. A lot of guys, when they plow, they're gonna plow by feel or by noise. They're gonna get into the curb and they're gonna hear it run against the curb and they're gonna know they found it. This could be called, sometimes it's called a curb bumper or a curb feeler, and that it's gonna get in against the curb. You're gonna feel that the blade is in as close as it can be, and it's gonna protect this moldboard right here and some of your apparatus from damage by running against the curb.